Hey, Christina here and welcome to my cake studio. I'm showing you how I make super easy, quick fondant bows for my cakes and more importantly for my fondant figures. When I'm decorating, I need different bows for different places, so these are my go-tos. I always use Saracino modelling paste as it sets really well, stays bendy and won't crack. To find out about all the different edible pastes, watch the video coming up. The cartoon bow is literally two hearts brought together. There are loads of ways to make hearts, but this is my way to do it. It's super easy to size up and down, great for Disney cakes, in the hair of a figure or the base of a cake or a plaque. The second bow is my easy, lazy bow, literally one strip of paste. I use this one a lot for my models. Cute little details on tops, the back of the dress, or if you make it even thinner, it can be a shoelace of a trainer. The last bow is classic and classy, the one you see on most cakes. But I also love it for the hair of my models. You can use texture mats on your paste before shaping it for loads of different finishes. If you want to learn how to make the models you've seen popping up in this video, check out the description for my free sugar modelling masterclass. Comment below and let me know which bow you prefer, and I'll see you in the next video.